Ugh, I can't believe I'm freeing him. Again.
Boss, what are you doing here?
Ugh, there's no time to explain. Just come on. Ugh, I'm very disappointed with you.
Okay. That was a nice... Is that him escaping with another prisoner? Oh, you're gonna get it. Hey, get back over here.
Never! This way, this way!
Okay, I'm coming.
He's right behind us! Run! Run!
Get back over here. Hey, open up. That's it. I'm telling ATC. Hey, ATC, I need help.
Yeah? What's your problem?
A jet has been stolen and I need to find it now.
Okay, on the radar, it should be right here.